Okay, folks, we're moving along with our project here. You can see I put the light switch and the GFI receptacle in, the cover plate on. So that's complete from there. We go into the closet here, and you can see that I ran a line out from the junction box there to it. Now remember, I still have two more wires to put in there, the feed coming in, and then also another drop line down through the floor that will run over to the other wall for the other receptacle. I also have run a line out of the switch that you just saw. I just have it hanging loose in here because we have to get another light fixture for above the vanity, and I'm not sure exactly where that needs to punch through the wall yet, but I have sufficient amount of wire there that I can do what I need to do. Also, and don't worry about the broken out plaster there, it's inside a closet. We'll patch that later. That's not a big deal. So what I've also done, I've put the supply line on for the toilet with the flexible hose that goes with that. All I have to do now is pop up through the floor with a 1/2-inch PVC, CPVC, and then that's complete as well. Now the other thing that I've been working on here is I've drilled a series of holes down through the floor for both electrical and plumbing, as you can see there. Now, what I ended up realizing was, since I'm trying to keep all my wiring and all my plumbing inside that same cavity between the first floor joist along the outside wall and the next one in, I had to offset the holes in the floor. I couldn't drop straight down from where the 1/2-inch lines are coming out from the vanity there. You can see that, because the one would have put me on the other side of that first floor joist, and I didn't want to have to drill through it. So I'll just have to do a bit of a fooling around with the PVC connection and offset it a little bit. The third hole in is where we'll run the two electric lines, one up and one down. And then the bigger hole in the back, that's where going to be where the drain line goes. Again, that's got to be run diagonal across the wall over to it and then drop down. But I should end up with everything that I need: the supply lines, the plumbing lines, the electric lines, all in that one cavity downstairs, so I don't have to cut out any more of the floor down there, the ceiling down there, than I need to. Everything will be neater and crisper that way, and I don't need to drill any holes in the floor joists to weaken them at all. So that's where we are now. We'll come back after we get more of the plumbing done, and you can see this thing starting to take shape. Thanks.